how to somehow protect this microphone from the wind. Alright, so I came up with this new idea. I figured since I had this video camera, I might as well use it. So I'm going to send you video emails, as well as an occasional written email. I am standing on the roof of my building right now. It is bitter cold, and I thought I would share with you something that I see almost every day, whether walking down the street or looking out my window, or, well, you'll see. Well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you can see the view behind me. That is all for today. I will send you one again shortly. Enjoy.